What's going on, guys? SRT Dad, and it's time to make some changes with that steering wheel, guys. Yeah, I'm going back to this. Let's get it started. Alright, we're gonna move the car to the garage first, guys. So, haven't started in a couple days actually. Should be a nice, good cold start. Alright guys, so we're gonna be getting rid of this centerpiece now, and I know I've gotten a lot of hate on it, and I like it, but let's not act like this isn't centered, right? And it's supposed to be here because on the original, the logo is, towards the bottom. It's just small that it looks centered in that circle that's there, but this is just too big. Gives it an illusion that it's not. It just doesn't look right, and then the stitching kind of makes it look, I don't know. I like it, don't get me wrong, I like it, but I think it's time to go back. So let's get started, guys. I'm gonna have to unplug the battery first for about 30 minutes, and then we'll take this airbag out. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna want to do is get in the trunk here. Oh look, mold mufflers. And you want to access the battery, which is located in the trunk. If you guys see my videos before, you know where it's at. And you just want to undo the negative and then the positive, and just leave it off for about 30 minutes before you even access your little center airbag area there, because it's dangerous. You don't want it exploding on your face. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then do it about 30 minutes, and then I'll take that center piece out of the steering wheel, guys. If you guys have never messed with your steering wheel before, because I've changed mine now, and I've changed this too. So to get this to come out, all you got to do is get your wrench with 10mm bolt on it, and just stick it in here, and then you're going to take it off, and then there's another hole on the other end too. I extended my steering wheel out, so I have more room to get up in there. So I'm going to just go ahead and unbolt it. It hasn't been 30 minutes yet, so I'm going to wait the 30 minutes, and then unbolt it, and I'll pop this airbag out, and I'll tell you how to take out the wiring. Alright guys, so I got the airbag off. You can see here, this is what the bolts in the back look like. They go in the back, you just take them out, 10mm wrench. But you can see it has 3 plugs, actually 4. You got this one, which is for all like the steering wheel controls, and then you got these 2 for the airbag, and then you got this one, this is your horn. So you're gonna remove all 3 of them. You just pinch them, like these you get pinched, and they're color matched, so they'll have the same color underneath. I'll show you when I take it out. Same thing with this one, you just pinch the ends and it comes out. But make sure you guys wait at least 30 minutes before this happens, before you do this, because you don't want the airbag going off on you, alright? And it's already been like 40 minutes for me. Alright guys, so I have the 2 airbags here, so this is the one I currently have right now. You gotta take all these little clips out, and that's gonna allow you to transfer the airbag inside of this one again, you see? So you just have to, that was my keys by the way. You have to just get a flathead and just kind of pinch them out each one by one, transfer them over. It's not hard, it just takes a little while though. Alright, so I got it out, guys. Kind of what the airbag looks like. And all I'm gonna do is just to repeat the process in reverse and put the old one back on. It's that simple. Alright, so I pushed it back in, all the clips clicked back in, I put the airbag horn back right where it goes. There you have it, so let's go ahead and just put everything back on now and see how it looks. Alright guys, so she's all done now, there it is. Got the old look back again, the OG look. Now I'm just gonna plug the battery back in, and hopefully it doesn't blow up when I turn it on. Alright, start her up, hopefully the airbag doesn't blow up. looks like we're good, guys. Back in business. All right, guys, we're gonna go for a little test drive. Make sure everything is good to go. I'll put some gas real quick, because I'm always out of gas. Here's how it looks like, you know, driving around with the wheel here. Alright, so here you have it, guys, what it looks like. Those of you that follow the channel, or that have been following it for a long time, this is the old one I used to have before I changed it over. I think overall this one looks slightly better. I like the other one too, and I'll keep it, you know, just to have in case I get bored again and want to change it. But that's basically gonna be all for today, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the steering wheel. Let me know what you guys think about the steering wheel. Ooh, it is hot out, guys. Anyways, guys, appreciate you guys checking this video out. Let me know what you guys think about going. Let me know what you guys think about going back to that old steering wheel cover. I think I like it better. That old one, like I said, just that centerpiece is a little lower than I liked. I might hit up Zen carbon fiber, maybe get a different one made. But I really, you know, I like this one. I'm cool with it. I might take off these carbon fiber pieces I have off and have it, you know, more of that original look again. I don't know yet. I still have them on for now. But if you guys, like I said, if you guys follow the channel or have been following the channel, I appreciate you guys. It is starting to get hot out here in Arizona. It's 104 right now. You can see I got a little sweaty getting that that airbag swapped out. And if you learned anything, you know, about the airbag, or you know how to change it out, even if I helped out a